This is Viking.
We're gonna hit that! Right, are you ready?
Where do you think I can go?
Oh shit!
Oh, let's do it now!
What's up, drivers? Welcome to 6 Minute Saturdays. I'm your host, Dashcam Hull. Let's see what's been happening in Hull since the last one. Unlock Auto Locksmith Hull encountered a customer who refused to pay for a midnight rescue, so he proceeded to lock his keys back inside his car and posted his car in his sorry ass stood there on his Facebook page. Congrats for being the reason that this guy can no longer trust his customers. That's the first donkey award of today's episode. There's a cat! Hello! In more uplifting news, these two absolute mad lads, Callum and Jamie, are carrying a 13.5 kilogram concrete block 60 plus miles from the Deep in Hull to the clock tower in Skegness without letting it touch the ground once. Yeah, they intend to keep it raised even while they sleep. I sincerely hope you've got video proof of this, by the way, lads. And I'm assuming even keep it raised while they pitch and pack the tent up every morning and night. The idea behind it is that the concrete block is symbolic for the weight of mental anguish that everyone carries around with them. They know it's a stupid idea, it is a stupid idea, but I love that. I really resonate with that message, and I wish you the best of luck, lads. If anyone wants to help support their cause or donate to their charities, there'll be some links at the top of the description. We've done this once before, and now it's time to once again help SpongeBob out with his essay for Mrs. Puff, as we document some things that you should not be doing at a stoplight.
Oh, did you hear that? What not to do at a stoplight?
First of all, ridiculous placement on the phone mount. At that point, just replace your windscreen with a plasma screen TV. But watching YouTube sideways in vertical mode is definitely something you should not be doing at a stoplight. Continuing with the phone use is this chap in an Opel. It doesn't matter how funny the memes your mates sending you are, don't look at them while driving. Contrary to some people's belief, being at a stoplight does not absolve you of this.
And he was just on his phone. He's literally on his phone there.
No, that's fine.
Halo recording event.
Oh, he's honking. He's honking.
Finally for this segment, popping your spots is also something you should absolutely not be doing at a stoplight. It's time to hand out the award for this month's donkeys.
You f***ing donkey!
Obviously, our first donkey award got handed out at the very start of the episode, so today's second donkey award goes to this muppet who might have just picked the single most stupid and pointless time to overtake that I've ever seen. But today's third donkey award tops even that, and even resulted in police action being taken. Yeah, it's not often that I send my footage to Operation Snap. I think it's 3 in 10 years now. So not only have you overtaken both me and a cyclist right at a pedestrian crossing, which could have so easily caused a fatality had someone stepped out, that could have also been why we were going slow. It was poor visibility due to the pretty heavy rain, and which would also have been reducing the control of your vehicle. But the reason I never overtook the cyclist is because I could see headlights exiting the roundabout onto this road. Also, nice license plate, dickface. Only thing you're the MVP of is driving like a lobotomy patient. Now though, I offer my sincerest preemptive apologies to a certain demographic of my audience, as we take a look at some senior moments. Now this clip from Azza resulted in dozens of 999 calls before the police had to come close the motorway and stop the driver. Thankfully, by some absolute miracle, they didn't crash into anybody, but so far all we have in the way of an update is that the confused driver has surrendered their licence. Senior moment, or am I prematurely judging here? Feel free to hate away at me in the comments, because this section seems to rustle people's jimmies a lot more than I ever intended it to. Look at it this way, when the oldies screw up, we've got a whole section dedicated to it, as opposed to the rest of us yobbers who make up 95% of the rest of my content. Food for thought. But now we'll finish up with some pet peeves. These 5 clips all follow a very similar theme of drivers stopping where they shouldn't, whether it's at green lights.
What the fuck? Are you okay?
Kyle, the ones that you don't save, is
What the fuck's he doing? Oh my gosh.
or at red lights that aren't for them.
No, you can go, mate. You can go. That's just for the other side. Right. Okay, calm down, lads.
One that I personally have, and we saw this in the most recent Motorway Mondays and the most recent driving etiquette, is when people cut you up and then just sit there drooling.
Go on then, bitch. Go!
Why do they come out into the middle of the road? And it's
And
a
then
Nissan Juke, that's why.
And then they stare at you. It's like, oh!
Can't start the car. Wait.
Why a merge at all if you're not just gonna get on with it when given ample opportunity to do so? I know this is one for a fair few people too. Flashing your lights to let drivers go. But have you ever seen an example this stupid before?
Go? It's a fucking roundabout, go! It's a fucking roundabout, knobhead.
For some people, bad parking is a big pet peeve. And when it's this hilariously bad, you can see why.
No way.
Oh, they're not leaving it.
You are kidding.
Video stop.
Oh, that's just ridiculous.
But is bad parking ever dangerous, you ask? Watch this clip from Cool 80 and you tell me. But anyway, that's all we have time for today. Please check out my links in the description if you're wondering what dashcam to buy. Please go and check out the new merch store. If you liked this video, give it a like, give me a sub, leave a comment, hype it up, share this video, and we'll have another chinwag really soon. Peace. Also, nice license plate, dickface. Also, nice license plate, dickface. Dickface. Only thing you're the MVP of is driving like a lobotomy patient. Yeah, I didn't laugh.